Dear children, now we are going to do, that is, addition sum of 2-digit numbers. Okay, let me move beads on tens place and ones place, and how to do simple addition sums for 2-digit numbers. Okay, let me do. I have to write the question here. That is 20 plus 30. Okay, and 20 plus 40 and 60 plus 20 and 13 plus 25. Let me do this, all these four sums. Okay, for this first number, it's children, that is 2020. So you have to arrange this number on abacus bead, that is 02. So 0 means here no need of movement of bead here, and make it sure that is first the abacus is 0 in level. Okay, and arrange 2 beads on tens place, that is 1 2, that is 2020 here, and next that is plus 3 in tens place. Here this is 0. Okay, and plus 3 means here, that is we have to add plus 3, but here only 2 beads here. So using the plus 5 formula. Okay, again I have to write the, that is plus 5 means, that is plus 3 equal to plus 5 minus 2. Okay, I will explain this formula. For here plus 3, that is it's a complement number of 5. So equal to, and write this same sign here, and 5, and here this minus sign is the opposite sign of this first sign. So plus, that is minus, and that is complement number of 3 is, it is 2. Okay, so this is how to form this formula, and we can arrange this by this method. Okay, do you understand this? So for this plus 3 here, that is plus 5 minus 2. So the answer is 5. Write down the answer now, that is 0 5. 0 5. So now the answer is 50. So 20 plus 30, answer is 50. Do you understand? Okay, next, that is, make it sure it's a 0 level, and now the first number again 20. So that is 0 2, that is 1 2. Now that is 20 and plus 40. Okay, for the 0, and here that is 40, that means plus 4 in this rod. For plus 4 here only 2 beads. So plus 5 formula, you have to use plus 5 formula. For plus 4 plus 5 minus 1. So write down this answer, that is 6. Here 0. So 0 and 6, that is 20 plus 40, answer is 60. Okay, make it sure the 0 level, and move on to the next sum. That is the first number, that is 6060. So here 0 and here 6. Okay, 6 6060. Okay, next number, that is 20. Oh, here the beads are enough, so move this 2 beads 10 20. Simply no need of using formula, because here itself the 2 beads, and that is count this bead. Write down the answer, that is 0, and in 8th place, that is 10th place, that is the number is 8. So 5 6 7 8. Also answer is 80, that is 80. So that is 60 plus 20, answer is 80. Okay, and that is 13 plus 25. Okay, first that is 13 means 3, here 1. So that is 1 3 13, and that is 2 5. Okay, that is 5 plus 2. Okay, answer is, write down this answer, that is here, that is 8, and answer is 3. So 13 plus 25, the answer is 38. Okay, and make sure the 0 level, and that is 2-digit number. Next I have to write one number, that is 6. Okay, 60 plus 50, that is 50. Okay, let me do this sum. That is for 60 you have to move the 0 and 6. Okay, 60. And next one is the 50. For this 0 here plus 5. Okay, for this plus 5 you have to make this plus 5, that is plus 10 minus 5. Okay, so now the answer is 0 1 1, that is 0 1 1, that is the third rod. This is a 100 place rod, so the answer is 3-digit number, that is 110. Okay, now you can understand this 100 place, that is a third rod. Okay, for addition of 2-digit number, another 2-digit number leads to the answer is 3-digit number. So we are introducing this third column, that is 100. So the now the answer is 110, that is answer is 110. Okay, so you can, I hope you can understand 2-digit addition, and let me move on to the next 3-digit addition sums.